Hi, welcome to my home. As an interior designer, I wanted a space that reflects my personal style while maintaining functionality. This is a resale 2-bedroom condo and I have transformed it to a modern Wabi-Sabi theme, embracing imperfections, natural textures, and a sense of calm. One of my favorite features in the house is a cantilevered dining table, which is seamlessly integrated with the kitchen island. This not only saves space but also creates a floating effect, making the area feel more open and fluid. The stone finish enhances the natural, organic feel of the home. Another design highlight is the curved ceiling. Instead of harsh angles, the gentle curve softens the space, making it feel more inviting. It also helps with spatial flow, guiding the eye naturally through the home. Every imperfection tells a story, and that's what makes the space unique. This home is a reflection of my design philosophy: beauty in simplicity, function in aesthetics, and harmony in imperfections. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more interior design ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.